Not this one. Binoculars. Spear gun. Oxygen tank. We're out of oxygen. Let's inflate the oxygen tank. Connect to the air pipe first. Start pumping oxygen. Oxygen tank is ready. Yeah! Let's go fishing! There are many beautiful fish underwater. Let's look for them. Let's follow the small fish to find the shoals of fish. The shoals of fish are found. Let's catch them. Help me catch the fish. I want this 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 fish. Let's swim back to the surface of water safely. Great work! Successful underwater fishing! What kind of fish could be here? On the sea. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Binoculars. Compass. Fishing net. The fishing net is broken. Let's fix it. Let's trim the tear first.